Hello, today I will introduce to you a machine production line that can produce various pet food, such as dog food, cat food, fish food, etc. The current concept of pet ownership is that pets must eat their own special food. Because pet food contains a balanced nutrition, fully consider their needs at different life stages, the emergence of commercial pet food has completely changed the life of human pets. Large-scale industrial production of puff dry food is also increasingly improving the quality of life of pets. Also more convenient and more worry-free. Ainuok commercial pet food production line is mainly composed of mixer, screw conveyor, twin screw extruder, air conveyor, dryer, hoister, seasoning machine, etc. And we can also customize your own pet food production line according to your needs. Mixer is a mixer that can mix all raw materials powdered with water and liquid chemical additives. Screw conveyor. The screw conveyor is a kind of machinery that uses a motor to drive the screw to rotate and push the material to achieve the purpose of conveying. Twin screw extruder. Twin screw extruder consists of feeding system, extrusion system, cutting system, heating system and control system. Air conveyor. Pneumatic conveying device is a transportation device that uses air energy to convey materials in a closed pipeline. Dryer. The heating method is electric heating for drying. The speed of the mesh belt can be controlled to change the drying time of the food in the dryer. Temperature can also be controlled. Compared to other types of dryers, multi-layer dryers are compact. Seasoning machine, equipped with a screw powder feeding device, and can stir independently while dusting, so that the seasoning will not be deposited, bonded, and empty due to different specific gravity, returning to halogen, and forming. Equipped with stirring powder, uniform and accurate quantity. Factory test video. Ainuok pet food production equipment is widely used in the production of cat, dog, fish, shrimp, bird and various pet food, and it is an ideal choice for dog food and cat food manufacturers. Since 20-40 of fish meat, animal offal, chicken frame, etc. can be added to the formula to directly expand cat food, it solves the problem of dehydration and crushing of fresh meat, fresh bones and slaughterhouse scraps. Loved by customers. This pet food production line also solves the shortcomings of the small single-screw dog food and cat food machines' insufficient puffing degree, the difficulty of cleaning the screw after each production, the limited addition ratio of fresh meat and bone paste, the fast wear of the screw, and the high cost of later accessories. It is deeply loved by large farms and individual entrepreneurs. Customer pet production line production video. If you want to know more about commercial pet food production line equipment, welcome to leave a message to consult us. Our contact details.